Hello friends, you are welcome to this video. Let us learn some more things about pronunciation or English sound. Say English vowel sound, pure vowels. Let us learn about pure vowels. Say A, E, I, O, U. These are just symbols, and this table shows the different sound, 12 sounds, their symbols, phonetic symbols, and practice words. See, vowel. These are phonetic symbols showing the just vowel sounds. These are corresponding letters, means when these letters are in a word, you pronounce this sound. મિત્રો જે કોલમ છે એમાં વોવલ્સના ફોનેટિક સિમ્બોલ્સ છે. બીજા કોલમમાં એક વર્ડ્સમાં જ્યારે આ વોવેલ્સ આવે ત્યારે એનો ઉચ્ચાર અહીં દર્શાવ્યો છે એ થાય છે, અને ત્રીજા કોલમમાં એના ઉદાહરણ આપેલા છે. ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ લેટ અસ સી, ધીસ ઇઝ અ that is pronounced a, and for these letters A, U, O, O, just we say above, sun, tough. Now you understand that A is pronounced as a, in second U is pronounced as a, in third O is pronounced as a, and in fourth OU is pronounced as a. Now second E, when these two dots are given, this is the long E, and next is short E. Short E takes the time, long T takes double time than the short. Now let us see E. See, these are corresponding letter E, double E, ES, IE or EI. When there are these double letters, but it has sound one. As we see B, C, deal, relieve, receive, and this is short E, just takes half of the long E's. A, C, seat, sit, bit, chit, very, carry, system. This is sound A. Corresponding letters are E, EA. See, just we can pronounce gate, bill, span, end, bread, did. This is also a short sound. Short, see, first is short, second is long, third is short, fourth is short. Now this is also short, but its pronunciation is broad. Just we pronounce it a, and corresponding letter is a. Just we pronounce bat, rat, cat, land. So everywhere A is pronounced as A. Corresponding letter is A. Asked, basket. See, then again this is A, but it is long. See, here you learn A, here is also A, but this is long. See, corresponding letters are IR, UR, OR. Just we can pronounce this bird, curd, washed. See, so understand this very well. Again, bird, curd, washed. See, then again this is short A. See, you learn here A. This is a very short A, and corresponding letters are U, O. Just we say umbrella, bus, another. Just umbrella, bus, another. U, that is also short. Corresponding letters are double O, U, O, U. Say then, pronounce these words: look, good, put, push, would. See, L is not pronounced. Say, then long U. See, corresponding letters are U, O, double O, E, W, U, E, U, I, O, U. And examples are road, June, do, move, room, tool, crew, flew, blew, true. Then next, say, this symbol is for sound, say, and it is also long. Understand these two dots symbols are long. Say, not, rock, model, bottle, copy, again, not, rock, model, bottle, copy. And this last symbol is corresponding letters are O, R, O, A, W, A, U, O, U, G, H, N, A, L. Just examples: more, long, gone, low, so, because, what, what. Say, sometimes there are mistakes in these two, but practice it. મિત્રો, આ રીતે અહીંયા વિડીયોમાં હું એક વખત બોલ્યો છું, પણ તમે એને 2, 3, 4, 5 વખત બોલો. હું બોલતો હોઉં એ જ શબ્દ તમે પણ સાથે સાથે બોલતા જશો તો તમને સારી પ્રેક્ટિસ થશે. ઓકે, સો ધીઝ આર જસ્ટ પ્યોર vowels, long and short. 5 are long. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And others are small or short. Now, diphthong. Two vowels are sounded together. Say, vowels AE, AE. Corresponding letters are A, AI, AY, AE, AIGH, AY, EA. Just you can say late, not late, but late, make, stable, aim, wait, play, say, eight, wait, they, hate, break, great. Okay, practice this way. Then this is I. Just when you speak, you can observe your face in the mirror and you will understand how it is produced. See, corresponding letters are E, I-E, Y, U-Y. Just examples: eyes, find, lie, die, my, style. Again, eyes, find, lie, die, my, style. Now, ow, ow, ow. See, corresponding letters are OU, OW. Examples: out, about, house, mouse, now, brown, cow, owl, powder. See, then U and together. See, double O R, U R E, O-U-R, the corresponding letters. Now you can pronounce these words poor, sure, tour. Say, sometimes we speak short, but actually pronunciation sure, tour. So pronounce that way. In this, ear, ear. Say now, ear. Ear corresponding letters are E-A. Just we say near, wear, tear. In the same way, O, O, U. બે ભેગા થાય. Corresponding are O-U. Just we say house, mouse. In the same way, OE, OE, OE. Corresponding letters are O-I. Just we say soil, toil, coil. Again, soil, toil. And last one, air, air, air. Corresponding letters are A-I-R, A-R-E. And we can pronounce this way, air, pear, pear, dare. મિત્રો, આ રીતે આને પણ તમે એક વખત, બે વખત, ત્રણ વખત વારંવાર પોઝ કરી ફરીથી તેને સાંભળી શકો અને પ્રેક્ટિસ કરી શકશો. થેન્ક યુ. કલ મિલેંગે. આવજો મિત્રો, પ્રેક્ટિસ કરજો.